pouring it for you. This is your drink. Thank you. This is mine. Yeah.
So tell us, Asava, why Indian wine? So exciting to hear about it.
Yeah, there is a story behind it. Rampur has different expressions, so we thought, what next? And we tried many. There is an experiment going on, and we tried many different finishing. But I thought we'll do something unique. Then I traveled to various part of India. Why not try Indian wine?
Lovely.
And I traveled to various part of India where wine is being produced for a long time. And I traveled to Nasik, I traveled to Karnataka, Bangalore to try different style of Indian wines. And finally, I settled down with a very small boutique wineries in Maharashtra,
Western part of India.
western part of India. And I tried white wine, I tried red wines, and finally I settled down with this beautiful red wine called Cabernet Sauvignon. And this is being matured for quite long time in the wood. I thought this is the right wood for my next finish.
So it's a first fill cask, or it's been.
Yeah, it's very rightly said. It is first fill and almost for quite long time.
That's amazing. Since you said this is the first time in the history of single malt making an Indian cask getting finished, so how do you describe the impact of the Indian wine cask on Rampur Indian single malt?
Absolutely. As you know, Rampur has a typical DNA. It has got a lot of fruity characters, sweet, fruity, creamy, tropical fruits like lychee, mango, banana. So it has got a lot of fruity characters. Apart from that, it has got winey, honey, and vanilla character. This red Indian red wine cask actually, it has imparted layers of different aromas like dried dark fruits, black currant, dried black currant, then prunes.
Wow.
It has got dark cherry.
Oh, this is
Apart from that, lot
This is
of
exotic.
unique spices from India like cinnamon, dash of nutmeg.
Oh.
It has got a rich wine character from red wine. Apart from that, it's got tobacco, which is very interesting.
Brilliant.
And the other part is the color. As I said, it has got lot of fruity characters and a typical Rampur DNA. Apart from that, there is a second layer of aroma from red wine cask, which is dried dark fruits like black currant, prune, spices like cinnamon and nutmeg, dash of nutmeg, not prominent. Then there is chocolatey. It has got unique tobacco style.
Yes, it does.
Yeah, this is very intense overall aroma.
Right. Anup, even the color, it seems to be so reddish in color. What's the secret behind that?
It's all about red wine. The red wine has been inside the cask for quite long time.
Right.
And during those period, the wood has absorbed the tannins from red wine, and when the Rampur whiskey single malt put into the cask,
Yeah.
the wood imparts lot of its color as well as flavor.
So this is the reason.
This is the reason that if you see there is a red tints and it's very dark, unlikely.
Absolutely amazing. Yeah.
It looks like overly aged,
Correct.
maybe equivalent to 25-30 years old.
Wow. Wow, this is good.
This is
Anup.
really good.
Now
This is
let's
really good.
have a sip of it and taste it.
Yeah. You will immediately find a layer of creaminess inside your mouth. A lot of spices. Beautiful combination of sweetness and dryness from the wine.
It's coming very
Yes,
floral
yes,
as
yeah,
well,
yeah,
you know.
yeah,
And you were right about the tropical fruits. The character of Rampur is still there.
yeah. Yes, that is our typical DNA of our whiskey. It has got other beautiful dried fruits aroma like cool.
I feel dried raisins also.
Yes, absolutely.
You know, it sometimes reminds me of a plum cake as well.
Plum cake, yes, yes. Obviously, this dry apricot, dates, even dates. Very, very delicious.
Now, Anup, since you already discussed about the tasting, what kind of food pairing you suggest with Asawa? You know, we have traveled all around the world, and Rampur Select Cast, they always say it is a breakfast whiskey. People pour it over their porridge and eat it with that. Then it was Rampur Sherry Pedro Jimenez PX, which
Yes.
is more intense,
Yeah.
and everybody say it's a desert whiskey to have it after dinner.
Yeah.
Rampur Double Cask, as a matter of fact, everybody can have during any time of the day.
Anytime,
It is such a beautiful light whiskey. What do you suggest with Rampur Asawa?
This is special occasion whiskey. Yes, you know, this is excellent, and you can use for occasion only.
And what kind of food pairings you would suggest with it?
Uh, all kind of grilled red meats and smoked salmon, which I liked it so much, and because this whiskey is from India, so tandoori platters.
Wow, see? So, Rampur Indian single malt Asawa with tandoori food, amazing combination.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers.